Now, in order to start the Google Doc, the first thing is that we're required to go to the Gmail ID. When I'm going onto the Gmail ID, we require to click on the Google Apps. When I'm clicking on the Google Apps, we're required to go either on the drive or directly from here. So over here, I'm selecting Google Docs. It will take few time in order to get open. So we require to wait for the Google Docs to get open. Over here it is blank, essay, report exe, MLA format. So I'm going to click on the plus sign in order to start with a blank document. I'm clicking on the plus sign. When I'm clicking on the plus sign, a Google document will get open. We're required to wait for few seconds in order to go in order for the Google document to get loaded. Now in this particular format, you will be able to see the Google document. Step number one. Whenever we are selecting the Google document, the step is we're required to give a name to that particular document. So I'm giving a name. I'm giving the name as grade 5 Google document. Grade 5 Google doc. So today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about the tools that is undo, redo, print, spelling and grammar check, and format painter. Now in order to explain this particular things, first of all I'm going to write certain thing on the screen. I'm writing the sentence, sorry, I'm writing the sentence over here as the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. This is the sentence that I'm writing now. Now, one by one, I'm going to explain you this particular thing. The first thing is what I'm doing. I'm deleting this particular part. When I'm deleting it and I'm pressing on which particular button, undo. So the deleted part will get. So the deleted sentence will be coming on the screen again. I'm just copying this particular part one more time in order to explain the next tool and see what I'm doing. I'm deleting the sentences and I'm clicking on the redo. When I'm clicking on the redo option, the delete will be continued. So in this particular way, we will be doing undo and redo option. Then if I'm clicking on the redo option, all the sentence will be coming one by one. Done. Now the next thing is the print option. When we are clicking on the print option and we are clicking on the print button, another window will get open in front of you. Over there, if the printer is installed, if the printer is installed, I'll directly click on which particular button, print button, and the data or the document will be sent to the printer. Then next it is grammar and spelling check. Now in order to explain you this particular part, I'm just typing one wrong spelling mistake. Instead of ancient, I have typed ancient, and I'm clicking on which particular button, spelling and grammar. Automatically, it will be highlighted in red color, indicating that the spelling is wrong, and I accept that particular spelling. When I accept it, the original spelling will be coming over here. And the last option it is paint format. In order to explain you this particular thing, the first thing that I'm doing is making this particular sentence as bold. I'm making this sentence as bold. I'm clicking on selecting this particular sentence, clicking on format painter or paint format, and I'm just selecting the other part. The entire format which is there in the second sentence will be going to the first sentence that we have written over there.